Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Thermaltake chassis stand kit for the Tower 300. Thermaltake did send me this product, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Take a look at the retail box and packaging right here. Everything looks very simple and straightforward. They walk you through the color options on the front. Yes, they will match your case. And a couple of product features on the back side. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are all the contents. First up, we have our product literature with warranty information as well as our installation guide with a couple simple steps to get everything up and running. The back side is going to be left blank. We have two of our support legs or brackets right here. We have the stand itself. Take a look at that from all different sides and angles. And then lastly, we have our matching Hydrangea blue for our case right here. Basically, we're going to swap out the bottom of our case with this so it's got that nice look, the symmetric look on both sides of the case with this piece. Now let's go ahead, let's get everything installed. First things first, we have to prep our chassis so we can install the cover. First thing we're gonna do is pop this out of the way. Then we gotta grab a Phillips head screwdriver and remove these 4 screws to remove the feet. In case you're wondering, the screws are really tiny, smaller than I thought they'd be. Then we can go ahead and just take those off. Now we're ready to snap this cover on. So take a look at how we have everything. We're gonna line it up and then just gently press it in place, just like so. And we'll look at it from the back side. This is what we just added. This is what's already there. See how we have both of those holes in the cover lined up? That's how you're going to want to position it. Now on the stand, we're ready to attach the arms or the brackets, whatever you want to call it. So line it up just like you see right here. And we're going to gently just snap those down and into place. Flip it over. That looks good. Make sure they're nice and snug. There we go. That's what we want. Just like that. All right, so now everything's clipped in right there along the front and both of those sides. Now that we have that set up, the last step is to add the case. You'll want to be careful here not to let go too early, but basically it's just going to rest in place on here, just like so. Look at that. That is so sweet. What a cool way to mount this. Let me give you that side profile so you get a better idea for what it's going to look like. But basically just this bottom portion here, that portion of the cover is just going to rest there for us. Man, that looks great even from that side. Let me rotate it around to the back side for you. Pretty sweet. Look at that. And then we can just obviously shuffle it a little bit, make sure it's nice, a little bit more even. But they even designed that in a way too, which is great, that we have our power supply over here. The cord's not going to be an obstruction or in the way. Rotate it to the other side. Now let me bring it back to the front right there. That's pretty sweet though. Nice stand. If you want to display this chassis in a different way, you can.